Let's cover everything Testudo in just 1 minute. Start the clock. The amomii Testudo is your gateway to the exciting world of electronics. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to build 3 awesome projects. At the heart of the Testudo is the amomii One, a powerful Arduino-compatible microcontroller. It controls your builds and can be used for countless other projects. Simply upload your code and watch them come to life. The Testudo also includes 3 custom-designed PCBs and all the through-hole components you need for the builds. These high-quality parts are easy to work with even for beginners. Making it even easier are the instructions. You can follow the paper instructions included or use the much more detailed PDFs and videos. The projects include the Mini Grand, a customizable electronic instrument, IR Hacks, a universal IR remote, and Neon Tennis, an original 2-player game that's fun to build and even more fun to play. But the fun doesn't stop there. With the included step-by-step guides, you can completely transform these projects. Create custom sounds, control your devices in new ways, and even create your own games. And for those who want to learn a bit more, our comprehensive ebook, Arduino Code and Hardware Fundamentals, will guide you through the world of Arduino, even if you have no coding experience at all. We even include files for 3D printer enthusiasts looking to give their projects a more finished, professional aesthetic. That's the amomii Testudo in a nutshell. Bye.